Oh, hi there! Today we're going to 10 IKEA products you probably didn't know existed. IKEA offers roughly around 12,000 products, and it can get pretty overwhelming when shopping there. So today we're going to some of the best IKEA gems for 2025 you probably haven't seen before. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and this is my doggo Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA gem I have for you is the SUNNERSTA Storage Unit. This slim storage unit is surprisingly sturdy and robust. Yet it can hold up so much while fitting even in the smallest spaces. The clean lines make it so easy to place anywhere you need extra storage, which is amazing. I love using it as an extra work area in the kitchen since it has a drawer where you can organize utensils or flatware, and on the spacious shelf you could easily fit kitchen appliances such as microwave, toaster, or even a coffee machine. This one's actually perfect as a coffee station too, keeping all of your coffee supplies on it. And all of that at a great price point for $34.99. The next IKEA gem on my list is the KÖLVATTEN LED lighting with a sensor. IKEA has many lights with sensors, but trust me, this one is a real hidden gem. First, it's battery operated, and there's no need for you to connect it to a power supply, which means you can place it wherever you want around your home. In the wardrobe, under the kitchen cabinets, inside your drawers, literally anywhere you can think of. It's also so easy to install wherever you like, even in drawers. It takes only a few minutes. The sensor reacts to your body movements at a distance of 5 feet and will automatically turn off after 60 seconds. When the battery is low, you can remove the lighting, charge it with a USB-C cable, and click it back in place. Such a smart product that will make your home that much more practical. A furniture piece that's such a hidden IKEA gem is this simple and minimal reclining chair that comes in grey and pink. I mean, isn't this the most beautiful recliner you've ever seen? Reclining chairs are super comfortable, but they tend to look so bulky and just not cute at all. However, this one has such a simple and elegant design, and it doesn't look like a reclining chair at all. It has soft, rounded shapes sized to fit even the smallest spaces. It's adjustable in 3 positions, so you can choose whether you want to sit upright, lean back, or just lie for a nap. Since you already know, I'm 6 months pregnant and I was looking for a comfortable chair for my tiny baby room, and I think this one is the perfect choice. Such a beautiful design that's created to adjust to your body and provide maximum support to your lumbar and neck while looking like a designer piece. Now, speaking of hidden gems, I have to tell you about today's sponsor Forio and their gem for glowing skin, FAQ 202. I bet you've noticed my face looks extra glowy lately, and it's not the pregnancy glow, trust me. It's thanks to this new generation silicone LED face mask featuring 8 different wavelengths, including NIR technology to tackle signs of aging and other skin concerns. This pregnancy has been giving my face such a hard time. I'm talking redness, flaky skin, even pimples. And since adding the FAQ 202 to my routine, my skin feels smoother, more even, and those tiny forehead lines softening already. Just 15 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. And what I've absolutely loved about it is that it's completely wireless, ultra lightweight, and so comfy. The FlexiFit silicone hugs every curve on my face, and the light hits my skin evenly. All I do is just pop it on a clean face and secure the headband to get a hands-free treatment, all while I'm editing these IKEA videos for you, which is amazing. So if you want to give the FAQ 202 a try, click the link into the description box right now and use my code 30 by Mon to get 30% off all Forio products, even the ones that are already on sale. It's a great offer you just don't want to miss. Thanks to Forio for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. The next IKEA gem I have for you today is actually a new product at IKEA, and that is this self-watering plant pot. I don't know about you guys, but my plants are always dying on me since I forget to water them. And whenever I do, I overdo it, so you can see the problem. It's me. However, this plant pot is the perfect solution for anyone like me that travels a lot and just forgets their plants from now and then. And even if you never forget your plants, this plant pot will help your plants thrive, keeping them hydrated and fresh at all times. It's so easy to use, you can plant directly into the plant pot, fill it with water, and that's it. You can easily keep track of the water level since the bottom is semi-transparent and it comes in 3 different sizes so you can choose your fit. An IKEA find that's a real gem when it comes to small spaces is the TINGBY Side table on casters. Not only this side table looks so cute, but is also so practical to have in your home as a table or a side table. This one is designed for ultimate flexibility with casters that let you roll it effortlessly to wherever you need it. Its compact size is ideal for smaller spaces, offering you just enough room for your essentials without feeling bulky. You can use it as a coffee table, side table, nightstand, or even in your workspace, keeping your working supplies organized and close at hand. Not to mention it's so simple and so easy to match with any furniture piece and any style. Plus it comes in 3 color options, white, black, and red, so you can choose your favorite. Another IKEA gem that's definitely worth checking out is the KOLBJÖRN Shelving Unit. Now, although this beige beauty is primarily made for outdoor use, it actually looks beautiful when styled anywhere around your home. It's made out of durable and sturdy materials that are easy to clean and is protected from rust, so you can even use it in the bedroom or balcony. I just love how you can use it as a bookshelf to display your books, or in the kitchen as an extra storage for plates and pots, and even as a shoe storage for organizing your shoes in the hallway. Either way, this one will look gorgeous and is much more durable and with a higher quality than any other shelf made for indoors, since it's made of powder-coated steel. Such a gem. Now, when we're talking about quality IKEA products that are made out of stainless steel, another IKEA gem you just have to see is this black 20-piece flatware set that's apart from the new Stockholm 2025 collection. This flatware set looks absolutely gorgeous. It's so unique and so high-end. The stainless steel in black gives the cutlery such a sophisticated and minimalist expression with modern feel that will add an elegant touch to any table setting. I've always loved black cutlery, it looks so good, plus it's such a timeless classic that we can now get at IKEA too. Loving it. Moving on to practical gems everyone should have in their homes, another IKEA gem is the SKYNKE Shopping Bag. IKEA actually releases this bag each season in a different pattern and different color palette. I already have a few of them, and I can safely say this is one of the most used products I have ever bought at IKEA. When folded, this bag is the size of your palm. It's so flat and so lightweight, it can literally fit in your pocket. However, when you open it, it can be used as a big shoulder bag that can hold up so much. I've actually changed all of my grocery bags for this one. It's so easy to keep close at hand when you're shopping or traveling, and it's a real IKEA gem anyone should own. Another IKEA gem that's so practical to have in your home is this battery charger with storage. I mean, I hate it when I run out of batteries just when I need them the most. And I just love how this problem is easily fixed by switching to rechargeable batteries. Not to mention that in this battery charger you can both charge and store your batteries, making them organized and easily accessible at all times. 8 separate charging slots make it easy to charge 1 to 8 rechargeable batteries at the same time and to mix AA and AAA batteries, which is amazing. Loving this one, and I can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. And the last IKEA gem I have for you is this Duvet Insert, which is perfect for warmer weathers. I was so happy to see this product at IKEA. I have never seen it before. It's actually especially designed for the summer season and makes sure to keep you cool and comfy at all times. In fact, the cover of this one is made out of 100% silky lyocell that effectively absorbs and transports moisture away to keep you dry at night. The filling, on the other hand, contains 10% viscose, providing cool comfort in warm conditions. The higher the amount of viscose, the higher the cooling effect and the more temperature regulating the duvet will be. It's the perfect solution for the warm weather coming ahead. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked these IKEA gems. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications. By doing so, you're making sure to be the first one to get my videos whenever I post every single Thursday. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hello, Mars. Mars, you're falling asleep. You're falling asleep. Mars, just say bye to the YouTube family, please. Just say bye. That's all I ask. Not a chance. Not today, guys. Not today. Look at this pause. Bye-bye, guys. See you next week.